Today we're going to make chawanmushi along with sweet potato rice and grilled green onion. Today we're making a silky, ziggly Japanese themed egg custard, chawanmushi. Start by preparing the ingredients. Cut off the stem of the shiitake mushrooms and slice them thinly. Trim the roots of the mitsuba herbs and cut them into small pieces for garnish. Remove the kamaboko fish cake from its wooden board and slide it thinly. Next, cut the chicken into small bite-sized pieces after removing any tendons. Crack the eggs into a bowl. Gently beat them using chopsticks. Be careful not to create bubbles. Just cut through the egg white gently. Add beaten eggs to white dashi stock and stir gently. Then strain the egg mixture through a fine mesh or tea strainer. This step helps create a smooth, delicate texture. Now let's assemble. In a small cups or bowls, place the chicken at the bottom, followed by mushrooms and kamaboko. Since the ingredients will stay in place once steamed, arrange them neatly now. Pour the egg mixture into each cup. Use a skewer to remove any bubbles from the surface. Place a piece of mitsuba on top of each cup. Cover each cup with aluminum foil. Place them in a steamer. Cover with a lid and steam gently. Once the custard is set and has a smooth, jiggly surface, chawanmushi is delicious, hot right out of steamer or chilled in the fridge. Either way, it's a treat. Next, let's make a slightly sweet and comforting dish, Japanese sweet potato rice. Start by washing the sweet potato thoroughly. Without peeling the skin, cut it into 1 centimeter cubes. Soak the cubes in water to remove any bitterness. Rinse the rice in a bowl of water. Scrubbing gently with your hands. Drain the rice and place it in a pot. Now add water, sake, mirin, salt, drained sweet potato cubes. Bring everything to a boil over high heat. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it cook for 15 minutes. This helps the flavor settles and the rice become fluffy. Spoon the rice into bowls, sprinkle with roasted black sesame seeds, and serve. It's a simple dish but so heartwarming and delicious. Let's make a simple and savory dish. Grilled green onion in dashi soy sauce. First, cut the long green onions into lengths. Japanese style thick green onion works best for this dish. Now, let's make the sauce. In a small bowl, combine sake, mirin, soy sauce, sugar, and a bit of dashi. Mix well until the sugar dissolves. Heat sesame oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add the green onions and let them sear. Turn them once they start to brown. When both sides have a nice char, pour in the sauce. Let it simmer gently on low to medium heat. Flip the onions again to soak up all the delicious flavor. Transfer them to a container and let them cool slightly. You can enjoy this dish warm or let it rest overnight. It becomes even more flavorful the next day.